Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope that you are doing well. Today's lesson is writing. We are going to learn how to write a formal letter. But before this, I want to ask you a question. Do you remember the informal letter that we have written before? Yes. Okay, what did we say about the informal letter? Who can answer me? Yes, excellent. We said that the informal letter is the letter that we send to our friends or family members or so on. So, the difference between the informal letter and the formal letter is that we send the formal letter to someone who is working with us, our colleagues, or for example, our manager or someone who's working in a company. Okay, so imagine yourself that you bought a machine or a device, like for example, hair dryer or a CD player, okay? But you were not happy with it because it has a problem. So, what are you going to do? Yes, so we are going to learn how to write a formal letter to the shop or the company that you bought this device or this gadget or this machine from it and to ask them to repair it or to fix it for you. Now, I want you to read this example, this letter silently, okay? Have a look at it, please. And we are going to answer these 5 questions in exercise 1 together. Now, start. Okay, let's start. Who can answer question number 1? What is the name of the gadget? What is the name of the machine that this person is talking about or sending the letter to talk about this machine or to complain about this machine? What is the name of this gadget? Who can answer? Yes, please. Excellent. The name of the gadget is the new Xenon ZK400 digital camera. So this is the answer for question number 1. 2. Where did she buy it? From where? From which shop? Excellent. From the gadget shop. Excellent. So this is question number 2. 3. When did she buy it? When? Excellent. On 28th of April. Number 4. What is the problem with it? Why is she sending a letter of complaint? Why? What is the problem in the gadget? Yes, excellent. She says that it sometimes stops in the middle of a shot. Number 5. Why does she want the company or what does she want the company to do? Who can answer? Yes, thank you. She says that I would be grateful if you could repair the fault. She wants them to fix it, to repair it. Okay? Thank you. Now, let's go to something else. Look at this address here. Okay? This address here. And look at this address here. In this formal letter, we have 2 addresses. What do you think that this address is and this address is? Where is the address of the sender of the letter? Our address. And where is the address of the receiver, the company that you are sending the letter to? Who can answer? Yes, excellent. So this is the address of the sender, my address. Okay, my address. the address of the sender, and this is the address of the company or the receiver of the letter. Thank you so much. Okay, so you have to write your address here and to write the address of the receiver or the company that you are sending the letter to here. Okay? Of course, don't forget the date of sending the letter. Okay. Let's go now to exercise number 2. So, imagine yourself writing a formal letter to a company to ask them to fix or to repair the machine or the gadget that you bought from them, and you don't know how to write this letter or what to say in this letter. Look at this title here and look at the letter again. Now, here we have 3 titles or 3 subjects, and here we have 3 paragraphs. Have a look at the paragraphs and match the paragraphs with the subject of each paragraph, the main idea in each paragraph. Hurry up. Look at each paragraph and match the subject of the paragraph with these 3 subjects. Let's start together. In which paragraph does each writer explain the problem in detail? In which paragraph? Who can? Yes, excellent. She explains the problem in paragraph number 2. This paragraph. Excellent. Okay, in which paragraph does the writer say why she's writing the letter? Yes, excellent. In paragraph number 1, she's saying why she's writing the letter. 3. In which paragraph does the writer say what she wants the company to do? Excellent. In paragraph number 3, this paragraph. Thank you so much. Now, let's go to this box. It has a very important idea here. Okay, who can read it? Yes, please. We often use these set phrases in formal letters. So, formal letter, you are going to start your formal letter with I'm writing to. You should be very formal because you are sending this letter to someone that you don't know sometimes, and to someone who is not your friend or someone who is not a member in your family. So you have to be, or you have to use a formal language. I would be grateful if you could. Could you please? I look forward to hearing from you. I'm enclosing. So please use a formal language when you are sending a formal letter. Okay, so here we can say that when we are sending a formal letter or writing a formal letter, we have to follow these rules. Number 1, who can read it? Yes, please. We start with Dear Sir or Dear Madam if you don't know the name of the person. But if you know the name of the person, write Mr. For example, Mr. Khalid, Mr. Ahmed, Mrs. Lin, Mrs. Layla, Mrs. Qamar. Okay, the second rule. We can't use short forms. Because you are writing a formal letter, you can't say isn't, aren't, I'm not, okay? You have to use a very formal language. Okay. The last point here is you have to finish your letter with yours faithfully. If you don't know the name of the receiver, if you said dear sir or dear madam, you have to use yours faithfully. Okay? But if you know the name of the person that you are writing the letter to and you started your letter with Mr. or Mrs., okay, you have to finish your letter with yours sincerely. Okay, keep in mind that you have to finish or to end your letter with your signature and then your name. Let's go to the workbook, page 49. Please open your workbooks and follow with me. Now, exercise 1 is a homework because you are going to match these subjects, okay, with their places in the letter. So you can use your class book to help you to put each subject in its suitable place. Please do it and send me the answer. Okay, exercise number 2. Complete the sentences with the prepositions in the box. Okay, you have to use these prepositions to complete the sentences here. We have used these expressions in the letter. Who can start? Yes, please. Writing. Excellent. I'm writing to complain. Yes, about the TV I have just bought. Excellent. Thank you. So I'm writing to complain about the TV that I have bought. Number 2, who can try? Yes, think about it. Yes, I would like to report a fault with, excellent, with the computer that I bought from, excellent, thank you so much, from your website. Number 3, I'm returning the games console. Excellent, to you with, thank you, amazing, with this letter. The last sentence, I look forward, thank you so much, to hearing from you. Excellent, amazing. Please write down the answers in your workbook and let's go to exercise number 3. Who can read the question here? Yes, put the words in the correct order to form full, meaningful sentences. Let's try together. Number 1. Who can start? Yes, I am writing to report a fault. Excellent. Thank you so much. I'm writing to report a fault. This is a full, meaningful sentence. Thank you so much. Number 2. Who can try? Yes, please. Yes, I am returning the camera to you. Excellent. Thank you so much. Amazing. Now, I want you to do 3, 4, 5, and 6 as a homework. Put the words in the correct order and form meaningful sentences, please. Now, after learning how to write a formal letter, I want you to imagine yourself that you bought a gadget or a machine, for example, a hair dryer or a mobile, etc. Imagine yourself buying this and write a formal letter complaining to the company or the shop that there is a problem in it. Write a formal letter as we learned before, and after studying these 3 paragraphs, write in each paragraph the best subject and please show me your answers. See you next time.